Do you want to know how to share screen on Instagram? Well, then you have come to the right video because I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this. But make sure that you watch this video until the very end so you don't make any mistake in this process. So first, open your Instagram and click on the messenger icon on the top right corner. Now select the person you want to call. Now tap on the call icon, or you can do a video call as well. Once the person connected with the call, you can see the media option in the middle. Click on it. Now here you will get your suggestion post, your like post, and your saved one and reels. Now to share the screen, tap on this icon, the share screen icon, click start now, and your screen will be sharing. And now your screen sharing is turned on. To stop it, click on the stop button and you're good to go. We hope you enjoyed our video. If you found it useful, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel. If you have any questions or comments about the topic we covered today, we'd love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and we hope you have a fantastic day.